Today, we're starting our 3-part video series on the Win Everyday Journal. This journal focuses on your daily priorities to make sure you're focused on what needs to move your life forward every single day. Part 1 is reflecting on yesterday and having the proper mindset for the day. Part 2 is focused on designing the day, focusing on the things you need to do today to achieve your goals in the long term. Part 3 is about assessing your day, prepping for tomorrow and making sure that you have a plan to attack the next day. We call the planner the Win Everyday Journal because there's nothing you can do that's more important than winning today. Stacking winning day after winning day is the way to achieve greatness. In this video, we're going to focus on reflecting on yesterday part of the journal. Let's go ahead and dive in. The first step every day in a Win Everyday Journal is to rewrite your quarterly and monthly goals. Every single day we do this so that we can focus on making sure the top things stay the top things. When we take it every day as an individual focused session, the problem is sometimes we're only focused on what needs to be done in that day, and we forget the hierarchy, the 30,000-foot view of what we're trying to work on overall. So we take our time, we write out our 3 quarterly goals that we have already designed, and we take those and we take our 3 monthly steps to improve those 3 goals. Every single day, we rewrite these with the purpose of focusing ourselves on that top priority so we can achieve those long-term goals. The Reflect on Yesterday section takes about 5 minutes in the morning. The intent of this time frame is to review the wins we had yesterday, review the losses that we might have had as well, and set our day up for the best possible day we can have. The first part in the reflection section are 3 wins from yesterday. What are the 3 things that you did that you were really proud of yesterday to keep your mindset focused on you do great things every day, continue to put effort into those things that you do amazing at, and remember that even if you have a bad day, there's still 3 great things that happen every single day to you. The next part of the reflection section is what could I have done better yesterday? We just want to focus on where are the areas of improvement from the day before that you want to take into today. How could you, the losses that you had yesterday, how do you make them better today? This video is brought to you by Level Up Priority Focused Business Coaching. As a small business owner, you don't need more ideas. You don't need more tasks to do. You need somebody to hold you accountable to the things that you already have on your plate, getting them accomplished in a timely manner so that you're making progress in your business. If you're like any other business owners I know, more ideas are just more stress. There are more things that you're not going to get done. So instead, let's find the things that are the most important parts of your business and let's move them forward. We have an annual, quarterly, weekly, and daily process. We give you weekly check-ins. It's one-on-one coaching with either me, Danny, or Nathan to help you stay focused on those most important things. We are business owners as well. We understand what it's like to be full of tasks. And our goal is to help you optimize what those tasks are and get working on the right things over a quarter time frame. And once you start to stack this quarter together and these daily wins throughout the quarter, you'll start to be able to stack quarter after quarter after quarter, which ends up being a monumental year. And we start stacking year after year after year. That's how you become a great business owner and how you change your business. So if you need focus, you need to be able to dial in those main priorities. Check us out for our priority business coaching. Again, if you're just coming and looking for ideas, we're not the right fit for you. If you don't have any ideas at all, we're also probably not the right fit for you. We're really focused on the people that know what they need to be doing, but they just have struggle following through with those processes. That's what we're here for. We're going to help you organize, prioritize, and focus those. So if you're interested at all, check out our link below for our priority business coaching and try our free strategy call. Next up is the gratitude section. Our goal is to focus on one thing that's going great either today, yesterday, just going overall well in life right now, something you're grateful for and you're happy with in life. It's important for our mind to be set up that we have a lot of great things going on all the time. Sometimes we dwell on the negative, but we do have great things happening at all times. So making sure that you're grateful for one thing every single day. The last part of the Reflect Yesterday section is what is one thing that went well yesterday that I can apply to today. So go through yesterday, think about what all the things that went really, really well, things that you're really proud of, and think, is there one thing that I can continue to add as a habit today, a process today, that will continue to help me stack those wins day after day? It doesn't have to be big, it can be simple, super simple, but it just needs to be something that you can replicate that you thought made a big difference. All right, that's the first part of the Win Every Day journal. We start off with quarterly goals. We're going to then focus on those monthly tasks to achieve those quarterly goals. From there, we're going to reflect on yesterday. So we're going to find 3 things that we won at yesterday, 1 area that we need to improve, we're kind of lost at, 1 thing we're really grateful for in life, and then 1 area, something we can take from yesterday to apply today to make sure that we keep to build a great process of stacking wins. Come back in our next video where we're going to walk through how to prep for your overall day, every single day, to win today. If you guys are interested in downloading the Win Every Day journal, just go ahead and click the link below. We'll have a link in there for you to download the free journal, be able to start using this in your everyday life.